Hi, my name is Ryan Hackman, and I am going to show you a foolproof way to make money in the stock market. Hard to believe, right? This is no gimmick. This is no trick, short-term trading idea. This isn't anything high-tech, okay? And it's not a make a quick buck scheme either. This is more of a long-term way to use charts to predict future performance of the stock market. And when I say stock market, I'm talking S&P 500. So let me show you how to do it. It's not hard at all. Okay, so I'll go to bigcharts.com, and at the top you type in IVV for your symbol, and go to Advanced Chart. Now I have my settings saved over here on the left-hand side for this chart. But what you want to do is make sure you set this up right. Your time frame is going to be 1 decade with a monthly frequency. Your moving average, you want a simple moving average with a 9-month time history on that moving average. And then for your chart size, you want it to be big. Okay. So here you go. What we've done is we pulled up the chart for IVV, which is an ETF for the S&P 500. And looking at this chart, at any given time, you can predict the future performance of the S&P 500. And generally you can expand that to the stock market as a whole. How do you do it? Here's how it works. Okay, each one of these lines is the variation of that ETF for that month. And then the little tick mark on the left-hand side is what the opening price was of the month, and the right-hand side is the closing price. But that doesn't really matter. Okay, it's all about this variation in price. Now, at the end of the month, if the variation line intersects with the moving average line, then that is what we'll call a hold signal. So the future of the stock market is unclear. There's no solid sign of whether it's going to do good or bad going forward. If the price variation of the month is below the moving average completely, like this one here in February of 2001, if it's completely below it, then that is a sell signal. That means the stock market is not going to do good. Stay out of it until the next buy signal occurs. So let me just run you through how this has worked in the past for you. Okay, so here you have a sell signal. All right, so you stay out of the stock market. When is the next buy signal? Okay, so I'm seeing sell, sell. Here's 2 holds. Sell, sell, hold, sell, hold, sell, 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 hold. And right here, I see a buy signal. See that? Where that is going to be January, February, March, April, May of 2003. We had a buy signal. Okay, so you put all your money in the stock market right then, at the end of this month. And how did you do? Well, look at this price trend. Okay, you keep putting money into the stock market. A little unsure here in mid-2004, but still no sell until right here. Okay, so that's January, February, March, April, May, June, July. August of 2004, we had a sell signal. Okay, so you get all your money out of the stock market. Then we have hold, so we're not sure. And then here, I would call this a buy. Okay, that line is completely above the moving average. Okay, so you get all your money back in the stock market. Hold, 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 buy, buy, hold, hold. When's the next sell? Even this is a hold right here, okay, because you can see it popping up above that moving average. So the next sell is in January of 2008. So on February 1st, 2008, the recommendation is get out of the market. And look at what happened. Okay, when's the next buy? So you're out of the market here. The next buy signal occurs in right here. January, February, March, April, May, June of 2009. Okay, put all your money back in the market. Look at what it does for you. Up, 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 up. And you're still in the market today. Okay, because now you have hold signals. So we're near the end of August. Today is August 28th. And this month's pretty much over. So the signal at the end of August is the hold. So right now I would say that it's not clear whether it's going to do good or bad going forward. And basically, since the last strong signal was a buy, then you're in the market until the next sell signal. So hopefully this makes sense. The reason I'm making this video is I'm interested in your thoughts on this. So take the time, send me comments, comment on this movie. Let me know whether it makes sense to you, where the flaws are in my plan, and generally whether you think you'll use it and how it would work for you. All right, thanks.